Hi everyone, it's Caitlin and welcome back to Your Financial Journey and the next video in our emergency fund series. In our previous emergency fund videos, we talked about what an emergency fund is and why it's important and how to start building your emergency fund by increasing your income. Increasing your income is not the only way to give your emergency fund a boost though. You can also lower your expenses. Whether you choose one way or the other or a little bit of both is entirely up to you. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 savings tips that our parents have drilled into us over the years. And the great thing about these top 5 savings tips is that you can start almost immediately if you want to, right after watching this video. And you can practice them every day until saving becomes practically second nature. I love shopping, so trust me when I say, if you don't get it right the first time, just keep trying until you do. Always remember your ultimate goal, financial success. So top savings tip number 1, review tomorrow's must-spends the night before. Leave a list someplace where you can see it every night, by your nightstand or where you brush your teeth, or even better, put it on your phone and carry it around with you. And before you make any purchase, think back to this daily buy list or pull the list up on your phone. If it's not on the daily buy list, then you simply don't buy it. Top savings tip number 2. Designate some no-spend days per week. No-spend days are exactly that. You don't spend anything. You go to school or work, bring coffee and lunch to school or work, go home, eat dinner, and read a book or surf the internet without buying anything. Start with one no-spend day a week and slowly build it up to 2 or maybe even 3. Top savings tip number 3. Designate some just cash days per week. Pick a day or two of the week and put just $5, $10, or $15 in your wallet for that day. Pick an amount that allows you to buy something small and or reasonable while still allowing you to stash away some extra cash. And of course, no credit cards, Apple Pay, or going to the ATM for extra cash. Top savings tip number 4. Wait 48 hours before making any unplanned purchase over $10, $50, or $100, whatever is reasonable for you. This is a favorite of mine. It's just easier to tell myself, I'll wait 48 hours instead of saying, no, I can't buy that. So the next time you're in that store or online and you feel like you absolutely have to have whatever it is, just say to yourself, I'll wait 48 hours. I don't need this right now at this very moment. And if you're like me, 90 to 95% of the time, you probably won't go back to buy whatever it was that you had your eyes set on initially. Top savings tip number 5. Ask yourself how many hours or days will I need to work to pay for this before you buy something that you hadn't planned on. That oh my goodness moment of I have to work a day or a week to pay for this pretty new object usually makes that pretty new object much less pretty and much less attractive. Do this calculation regularly, especially for higher cost items, and you're most likely not going to make as many of these impulsive purchases. Listen, we all want nice things. I know I do. But in real life, you can't just spend more than you make forever. No one can. Otherwise, you won't have anything left to save, invest, and retire with. Of course, if you find that you've already cut as much out of your budget as there's possible and there's nowhere else you can cut, then go back to this video here from my sister Ava that I mentioned earlier for some ideas on how you can increase your income and put more money into your emergency fund. Okay, my financial friend, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And do leave a comment below and let us know what other money topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.